When it comes to something as valuable as your home, you want things done right. And for you do-it-yourselfers, that means making a plan, rolling up your sleeves, and getting to work. No doubt, it will take some sweat, some patience, some muscle, and a whole lot of hard work. And when you get everything looking just right, keeping it beautiful is a priority. After all, where else can you truly relax with family and friends? Bring home fast, easy, beautiful mowing with the Walker Model R to keep the place you call home looking its best. Contact your local Walker dealer today.